Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious almond brittle at home. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 cup of whole, lightly toasted almonds, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring you can move quickly through the steps. Next, combine your sugar, water, and salt in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture over medium heat until all the sugar has dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert a candy thermometer. Continue cooking until the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or a beautiful amber color. This stage is crucial for achieving that perfect brittle texture, so keep a close eye on the temperature. Once your sugar mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat right away. Quickly stir in the 1/2 cup of butter until it's fully melted and incorporated. Then, add your 1 cup of toasted almonds, mixing them thoroughly into the hot sugar. Finally, stir in the 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You'll notice the mixture will foam up, which is exactly what you want for that classic brittle texture. Immediately pour the hot, brittle mixture onto a prepared baking sheet. Use an offset spatula to quickly spread it out as thinly and evenly as possible. This step needs to be done fast before the brittle sets. Let it cool completely at room temperature, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Once it's firm and hard, you can easily break it into delicious, irregular, bite-sized pieces. Enjoy your homemade almond brittle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.